You've been working out for months, watching your diet, staying consistent, and still, the fat isn't going anywhere near as fast as you expected. So you push harder. More sprints, more intervals, more suffering. Because that's what everyone says, right? Go hard or go home. But what if everything you were told about cardio and fat loss was completely backwards? What if the secret to burning more fat was actually doing less? Stay with me because by the end of this video, your entire approach to cardio is going to change. Let me introduce you to our stick figure friend. He's been at this for a while. Every week, 3 HIIT sessions, 45 minutes of all-out effort, heart pounding, lungs burning, completely destroyed by the end. He feels like he's doing everything right. And yet, 6 months later, he looks almost exactly the same. What is going on? Here's what nobody told him, and honestly, what most fitness content completely ignores. When you train at high intensity, your body doesn't have time to think. It needs energy right now, and fat, believe it or not, burns too slowly for that kind of demand. So your body panics and grabs the fastest fuel it has available: carbohydrates, sugar. You are sweating buckets, gasping for air, feeling absolutely heroic, and burning almost zero fat. The fat is just sitting there watching you suffer. But wait, it gets worse. After a brutal HIIT session, your stress hormones spike. Your appetite explodes, and 2 hours later you're standing in front of the fridge eating everything in sight, completely undoing whatever you just burned. Your body is smart. It wants those calories back, and it will get them. Now here's where everything flips. And this is the part I really want you to pay attention to. Zone 2 cardio. That steady, almost embarrassingly easy pace where you can hold a full conversation. Around 60 to 70% of your max heart rate. A brisk walk, a light bike ride, a gentle jog where you feel like you're barely doing anything. That's the zone where your body is calm enough to go directly into your fat stores and use them as fuel. Not sugar, fat. The actual stuff you're trying to get rid of. And this is where it gets really interesting. So if you're not subscribed to the movement sketch yet, hit that button right now, because what I'm about to explain changes everything about how you train. And drop a comment below telling me, are you currently doing HIIT, Zone 2, or a mix of both? I read every single one. Here's the science behind why Zone 2 is so powerful. When you train consistently in this zone, your body starts building more mitochondria. Those are the tiny energy factories inside your muscle cells. The more mitochondria you have, the more efficient your body becomes at burning fat. Not just during exercise, but all day long. While you're working, while you're watching TV, while you're sleeping. You are literally rebuilding your metabolism from the inside out. Our stick figure friend had no idea this was even possible. But what about the afterburn from HIIT? You've heard about it. EPOC. Excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. That magical calorie burn that keeps going hours after your workout ends. It's real. But research shows it's been massively overhyped. The extra calories burned post-HIIT are far smaller than the fitness industry wants you to believe. And when you factor in the increased appetite, the elevated stress hormones, the longer recovery time, and the higher injury risk, the math starts looking very different. Here's what elite endurance athletes have known for decades. The best performers in the world, marathon runners, cyclists, triathletes, spend around 80% of their training time in low-intensity zones like Zone 2. Not because they're lazy, because it works. It builds the aerobic base, it trains the body to use fat as fuel, and it allows them to train again tomorrow without breaking down. So what does this actually look like for you? Aim for 3 sessions per week, 30 to 60 minutes each. The test is simple. You should be able to hold a conversation but feel slightly uncomfortable doing it. If you can sing, you're going too easy. If you can't finish a sentence, you've gone too hard. That middle ground, that steady, uncomfortable but manageable pace, is your fat-burning sweet spot. Our stick figure friend finally made the switch. 3 Zone 2 sessions per week. 1 HIIT session to keep things interesting. And within 2 months, the fat started moving. Consistently. Without destroying his body. Without binge eating after every workout. Without the burnout that made him want to quit. He didn't work harder, he worked smarter. And now, so will you. The answer was never to push more. It was to slow down, stay consistent, and let your body do exactly what it was designed to do. Zone 2 isn't a trend. It's the foundation that the best athletes in the world have been building on for years, and it's available to anyone willing to step off the treadmill of intensity and just breathe. Now you have the full picture. Use it.